My first word wasn't horse, but it was pretty close. Ever since I could talk, all I did was ask to ride horses. And then finally my parents gave in on my 8th birthday, and ever since then I've been riding, working in the barns, and pretty much doing everything that I can to be able to be involved with horses. I would definitely recommend the Equine Science and Management major to anybody who's really invested in the equine world. I was able to develop a deeper understanding and learn about equine nutrition, rehabilitation, sports med from working with our vets, foaling, foal care, broodmare care, the principles of riding, starting horses, all the things that you could ever possibly want to learn with horses I was able to do here. All of the horse units being on campus is such a privilege because it's an easy walk from campus, a quick drive from living off campus, and you're able to get really involved right from the start. We have just around 70 horses on campus with 2 horse units, horse unit 2 mostly being the babies and the younger horses. And then horse unit 1 has 2 barns, the front barn being a lesson barn with all of our lesson ponies, and then the back barn being the polo barn with some more lesson horses, our polo horses, and our stallions. We also have 2 round pens, an outdoor ring that's used for both riding and turnout, and an indoor ring where all of our riding takes place with polo, English, Western, and dressage. And then we're lucky enough to have a bunch of trails in the UConn forest and Horse Barn Hill we get to ride up it, and it's a super fun time. The program here at UConn has really developed me into being a really strong horsewoman, and I'm really excited to go off into the professional world and work within breeding. All of the hands-on experience, not just in the field that I want to go into, but the whole holistic approach that I was able to receive an education on. I feel really ready to work in the industry.